Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So I want us to make a cover button together. So when it comes to making cover button, it comes in different sizes, and what I have here is exactly what they call a size 36. So it totally depends on what you want, okay? So you can always sort for the exact size that you want. So this size 36 is suitable for what I am going to work with. So I just needed 5 of it. So after just aligning it on the neckline there, so I just know I needed exactly 5 of it. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to go ahead and cut my fabric in a very tiny bit. And of course, making your cover button, you definitely need a rivet machine, which is what I have here already. So once you have a rivet machine, then you'll be able to create this piece for yourself. And it's very good, especially if you're a tailor. If you're a tailor, this is something that it's a must have. And if by the side, as a tailor, you tend to also run some other hustles, maybe like selling interfacing or tailoring materials, this is a very good one that can also bring in some funds for you, right? You can also do this for people and make some cash out of it. So it's a very good must have as a tailor. Okay, yes. So yeah, going ahead to cut my fabric into very tiny bit to the barest minimum. Okay, to the barest minimum. So you can always cut out one piece first, fit it into the metallic cover there. Once you're sure that it's perfect, then you can now cut out the remaining piece, which is exactly what I did. Now, of course, the next thing I'm going to do now is to go ahead and start wrapping it over this metallic cup. You can see this silver cover. So once you wrap it properly, okay, to make sure that you have it seated in, then you cover it upwards with that white cover, just like this. Okay, it's already looking ready like this. So of course, putting it in your metallic cup will now give you the perfect finishing. So put it in the metallic cup, cover it up like so, then place it under the rivet machine to make the final cover button. So for this my particular rivet machine is actually a bit different. My metallic cup rather is quite different. So you can see mine is flattened, or will I call it shorter compared to the regular ones I get to see, and that's why I had to attach that wood in there, just to make sure that it will be able to go in when I press the metallic down. Okay, yes. So whichever type that you're using, it definitely works fine. So of course, I'm going ahead to do the next one. Just cover it up with the fabric, then place the silver cover on it, then sit it inside this metallic cup, which is also a size 36. Okay, so depending on the size of the button, the metallic covers are also different. Okay, yes, they are also different. So you can see, so once that is done, it's ready. It's a very simple process. All you need to do, just get your rivet machine and get the different sizes. Of course, it's advisable you get all the sizes, because at some point you might just need any particular size to work with. Okay, and for the cover buttons, you can get it in the market. Okay, yes. So that's it. So once I'm done, and this is what we have, like I said, it's a very simple thing to do. There is nothing difficult there at all. Okay, so all I need to do now is just to align it on my outfit here. Then I'll go ahead and use my needle and thread to tack it. So by the way, this outfit, I've actually made this before, and I have a detailed tutorial on it. This is the final look. Okay, so a client saw this, me posted it online, and demanded for this exact style. So that's why I'm making it again. So I have a detailed tutorial of this particular style on my channel. Okay, so you can go ahead and watch it. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to like, share with friends, share with your sewing communities. I will appreciate that a lot. So I will see you on my next video. Bye.